Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm on location at the corner of 91st and Brandon on the far south side, and I want to talk about St. Jude, Alanis Morrisette, and investor relations. And if you're Catholic like me, you know that St. Jude is the patron saint of hopeless causes or hopefulness. And here at the Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe is the home of the National Shrine of St. Jude, which began in February of 1929 and reached a climax on Sunday, October 28th, 1929. Now, if you're playing at home and you're a finance person, you know that on Monday, October 29th, 1929 was the start of the Great Depression. Isn't it ironic, don't you think? And this is what I learned when I was on the sell side, is that a lot of your problems can be solved simply by rocking out to Alanis Morissette's Ironic. If you know, you know. So what does this mean for investor relations? Well, the IR professional is sort of the patron saint of fixing hopeless causes at public companies. If you're in a crisis or you need to change perception, valuation, engagement, the way investors view your narrative, it's all going to start with the nitty-gritty blocking and tackling from best-in-class investor relations. And so what are the key takeaways or learnings for a public company executive? Well, the first is that best-in-class investor relations is what often is called upon to change or enact positive change, especially in a crisis or when management doesn't like the way the street interacts with them and their company. Number two, IR is the patron saint of effectively changing perception and credibility with investors. Without the IRO, you're not going to get that change. And let's use a football analogy as we're about to enter football season here. You know, the best-in-class IR person is sort of the Jeff Saturday. He's the center, the quarterback of the offensive line. You can have Peyton Manning and Edgerrin James all you want, but if you don't have that quarterback of the offensive line or a good offensive line doing the nitty-gritty, building the foundation, you're not going to matriculate the ball down the field effectively. So remember, always have best-in-class IR in place before the next crisis hits. You know, hope and a prayer is not a strategy. And remember, when IR is too tough for you, it's just right for me. Give me a call and let me help you with investor relations. Thanks for watching.